What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with a brand new video. This time we are unboxing the new 350 Boost. It's called Ezreal, but they changed the name to Carbon. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Let's open this up. Let's show you this new Carbon YEEZY 350 Boost. There we go. That's one shoe. That's the other shoe right here. Bam. Right there. And also it came with laces. I'll tell you why in a minute. Why this laces pack is inside the box. I'll tell you right now. The reason why is that because these sneakers have already laced, like a lace lock. Like they come, the laces come locked. Like as you can see, right here, it's locked. All you have to do is just pull it to tighten the shoe. So I don't know if I'm debating if I'm gonna wear this. Should I cut the laces and then put the extra laces that came with it on? You see, these are the laces that it comes with. So in case if you're wondering how much I paid for these, I paid retail about $230 with shipping and everything, $240 and change. These are the new Yeezys in my collection that I purchased. It's called a YEEZY 350 Boost Carbons. Very nice colorway. I like the little colorway here. It's like a black, and then on the top here is like light blue. I don't know if you could see it, but it's very unique. I really like this colorway. Beautiful color. I've been wanting this for the first time. When I saw the picture of these sneakers, I really wanted these sneakers. Very nice mesh over here. They have nice colorway, black, and I think it's like light blue right on the top here. There we go. Let me try these on.